Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have put together these four squares of different dimensions along with this blue circle, as you can see in this diagram. And moreover, the area of this yellow square is 100 square units. The area for this blue square is 25 square units. And moreover, the area for this pink square is 16 square units. And now we are going to calculate the area of this green square. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's recall the area of a square equals to s square, where s represents the side length of a square. Now let's focus on this yellow square. Its area is 100 square units. So that means 100 means 10 square. So that means this side length is 10 units and this side length is 10 units as well. Likewise, these all have the same length, 10 units. And now let's focus on this blue square. Its area is 25. So 25 could be written as 5 square. So that means its side length, this side and this side, is going to be 5 units. Likewise, all these sides going to be 5 units as well. And now let's focus on this pink square. Its area is 16. So 16 means 4 square. Therefore, its side length, this side is going to be 4 and this side length is going to be 4. Likewise, all these sides are going to be 4 units as well. And finally, let's focus on this green square. Since we don't know the area of this square, therefore we are going to assume that this side length is x and this side length is x as well. So all these sides are going to be x units as well. Now finally we can see that this side length is 10 units. This side length is 5 units. This side length is 4 units, and likewise this side length is x units. And moreover, this blue circle passes through these points, this one, this one, this one, and likewise this one. And as a result, we get to see this diagram with these two intersecting chords. And now let's recall the intersecting chords theorem. If two chords intersect in a circle, then the product of the measures of the segments of the chords are equal. As you can see in this diagram, where we got these two intersecting chords such that these segments A times B equals to this segment D times C. As you can see over here, A times B equal to C times D. And now let's focus on this original problem. Let me go ahead and call this segment A, this segment B, this segment C, then this segment D. Now let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. A times B equal to C times D. In our case, A is 10 times B is 4 equal to C in our case is 5 times D in our case is X. So therefore, if we simplify, we got 40 equals to 5x. Let's go ahead and isolate x by dividing 5 on both sides. So we can see our x value turns out to be 8. So our side length x turns out to be 8 units. So therefore this side length x turns out to be 8 units. So therefore, we can see that this side length of this green square turns out to be 8 units. That means all these sides going to be 8 units as well. So therefore, the area of this green square is going to be equal to, we are going to apply this formula once again. Area of the square is s square. In our case, side length is 8. So this is going to become simply 8 square. So that is going to give us 64 square units. So thus the area of this green square turns out to be 64 square units, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.